now?
There she is. Oh no, the wrap is done by somebody else. The wrap is gonna be done on the 12th of August. The car is going to the wrap shop.
Is it the one that we took you to the last time?
So now we are a few days later from the last clip, and the car is ready to be picked up from the repair shop. That is for the aesthetics. So the driver's side is pretty much back to red, and then the car will be going to the wrap shop in the middle of August, on August the 12th actually. And then yeah, so this part of the vlog is me going to pick it up. There's a friend of mine who is here to pick me up, and yeah, so let's go. And just like that, we are on the way. I'm still on duty, kind of. You know, it's a Friday. You know, we usually get off early on Fridays anyway, so I don't think I'm gonna be missed that much. I think it's him. This is his truck right there. So why are you not in uniform? But I'd like you to stop by the other car so I could grab my the you know, torque wrench. Okay. Because I like to have that with me when I drive. Not to like you know secure, like you know, loosen lug nuts, but it's to whack somebody in the head with it.
That's the second person that you had to hear from, not today, baby.
It's true.
Nelson,
it's true. Hmm?
Do you like crystals and gems? So
What's a crystal?
Smartwatch.
What's a gem? Oh, gem. I thought you meant jam.
no, gem. So the lady had told Mundo earlier, this is really heavy. Be careful that you don't piss her off because she can whack you one with it.
With the gem?
Yes. You want to feel how heavy this is?
Sure. Oh, well then it's a little bit hard to whack it if it's that heavy. It's gonna be a slow whack. But
Put a lot of force into it.
so you're gonna use that to whack somebody with it? I just have to grab one thing. I like to I think I should grab my torque wrench. I think it's in here. Oh yeah, it's in here somewhere. It's in here somewhere. Why did you miss the York Day yesterday?
We had to do services for the imports.
Oh, okay. So you're doing this on your day off?
No, what?
That's why you seem sad when you called me. Yeah, because you weren't really gonna use this to cut out of work. You're already off from work. Yeah. So how is it like with this truck? This is what, your 5th truck in 2 years?
My 5th truck in 2 years.
Look at that. You got the transmission knives up there now, like a knob?
Yeah, that's all.
Man, these things have become sophisticated, man. Very Euro.
Very Euro.
Yeah.
It's a US truck. What are you talking about?
Okay. Now I just realized that you're playing like the music. So yeah, so YouTube, please do not give me a strike. It's this guy's fault that he's playing somebody whose name is Doja Cat, and it says, and it's called Kiss Me More, and it's some person named Doja Cat. I'm not sure what the heck that means.
It SZA.
Yeah, it's SZA.
And who?
SZA.
That's not a word. Is that somebody's name?
Yes.
And yeah, and someone whose name is SZA. I think they meant to say sister, but then they spelled it. Yeah, but you guys have a family. Why do you have an Emmy?
My kids were not with me and what I test drove it.
Well, yeah, but you know, you're gonna scare the kids with this Emmy.
They like it.
So your husband finally said that he's no longer going to box the children because he used to box the children. So he said he's no longer gonna do it anymore.
What are you talking about? He still roughhouse with them.
Oh. Well, then you lied.
My girls are the ones that go up to him and start a fight with him.
Oh. Thought you said you stopped doing that, Salinas.
They started.
So they started it, and you know, you as the grown responsible adult finishes the fight. Is that what you're saying?
As I should.
It's like one of those what is it that they used to say back in the 90s? Don't start nothing, won't be nothing. I think it's how they used to say it. which is very different from what they used to say, like, you know, back in the 70s. And then even back in the 40s.
There was another famous quote. Only if I have checked myself, I would have had wrecked myself.
Oh, I like it. I like it.
Words from a very wise man.
So, ma'am, you've had the injections?
Yes.
So how is that? Because I'm getting injections soon.
Where you're getting your injections though, because it's probably completely different from me.
Or lower back.
Your lower back. So they get like this big ass needle, and I ain't kidding, it's huge. Window saw it today. Selena saw it today. And they inject it in between my inner thigh. And they go in there like a good 2 to 4 inches into my torn ligament that I have. And then I have bursitis on my outer one. So it's almost about the same size for the other one on the outside of my hip.
Wait a minute, you just had that done just now?
Yeah.
Shouldn't you be like in bed or something?
No. They recommend for you to walk around so that way it could flow through easily, but they don't recommend like running or doing heavy lifting for a while.
But doesn't it hurt?
Hell yeah, it does.
Well then, shouldn't you be screaming right now?
No. It's when they first go in for that inner part to the torn ligament, that's where it really hurts.
I can't believe this.
So I can't imagine how it's gonna feel on your back. Is it the lower spine or upper?
The lower spine. I'll be yelling right now.
Are they doing it
for hours on end?
Is it kind of like an epidural kind of thing? Like where that lower part that they put the injection?
I think so.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be crying.
You know what that means, Salinas.
Now you need to go hold his hand when it happened, baby.
Well, that too. But yeah, that too. But like a VA claim. Yeah. Team 0%.
Your wraps over here now?
There she is. Oh no, the wrap is done by somebody else. The wrap is gonna be done on the 12th of August. The car is going to the wrap shop.
Is it the one that we took you to the last time?
So we are at Big V. We are at Big V, and there she is. Half of the wrap is removed. Let me put this away. So I hope they didn't break that. So yeah, as you can see, so this is a turquoise, but when the sun hits it, see, when the sun hits it, it looks really good. Oh yeah. And look at what they did with the calipers. Look at that. All right, it's been a few days now going through the saga of repairing the Veloster. So now the Veloster is back from the first shop that was fixing it since it got hit on the hit and run. So the doors repaired, the fenders repaired, all the other scratches and nicks are repaired. Tomorrow it is going to the wrap shop to have the whole driver's side be re-wrapped, though it does look kind of cool now because it kind of gives the car like a Golf, like a VW Golf, a Harlequin kind of vibe. But I figured just to show you guys what the progress is. We're trying to get the car fairly ready for the upcoming trip that is coming really soon here. So yeah, so that's been fixed, and then we also changed the colors of the wheels, and we also had time to have the two front seats be done over because they were kind of, especially the driver's side, my chair had a big hole in it. It was just looking really ghetto. And yeah, so we found a way to have a person do an upgrade on those seats, and I'll share that with you. The airbag light is on the dash, so I'm gonna try to have that cleared by a dealer while I'm on the road trip, because Hyundai of El Paso wants to have the car for 5 days prior to them even seeing it, because every time that you bring your car in, your car gets in line. So you know, it gets in line until that they're done you know, fixing the cars that are ahead of your car. It's a big nightmare because I kind of have one car right now, because I was supposed to actually have the IS fixed already, but now I kind of had to shift to fix the Veloster because it got hit, and it's the one that's in the best shape that would take the least amount of time to fix. So yeah, so let's go outside and I'll show you guys. And I actually have to wash the car thoroughly right now because it's going to the shop tomorrow and everything like that. So I need to actually go out and clean it. So I'm gonna show you guys how far that we've come so far within the last about a month and a week or so. Let's go. We're gonna need this. So here it is. She's all fixed up. So all the dents have been repaired, all the damage, the holes and gaps and stuff. There are still some reminiscent of the hit, like right there, but it's small. So the wrap shop is gonna have to do some sanding on the car though, because there's some specks on this paint job here, but that's something that he's gonna have to, that he said he's gonna take care of. So yeah, it goes on to the wrap shop tomorrow, and then on to the next thing. As you can see, the wheels are now painted. It's like a turquoise kind of color. It kind of gives the car like a Harlequin kind of feel. Actually, it's actually kind of cool, but you know, we need to have this side match the other side, and that's what they're gonna do this week. So it should be awesome. So this is the update that I have so far, and hopefully this gets done before the next road trip that's coming up in about half a month. So